Sitting at an elevation of 5,840 miles above sea level in the picturesque town of Sedalia, Colorado, sits this extraordinary executive-style walkout ranch home in the sought-after community of Christy Ridge. Welcome to 3438 Bear Canyon Circle. This custom home checks all the boxes for the horse and sports enthusiast. Built in 1992, this beautiful home boasts over 5,300 finished square feet of meticulously maintained craftsmanship. Perched atop over 5.5 acres of pristine horse property and backing to almost 1,100 acres of agricultural farmland. Beautiful views from every window, and the sounds void of city noise replaced only by silence and nature is priceless. Super functional floor plan that is great for entertaining as well as daily life. A formal step-down parlor has dental crown molding and a gas fireplace with mantel as a focal point. The formal dining room can accommodate a wonderful holiday celebration and flows effortlessly into the recently updated gourmet kitchen. Soft close cabinetry, imported slab granite, all stainless appliances, a walk-in pantry, a large island plus all the bells and whistles, as well as a beautiful morning room to enjoy your favorite coffee or tea. Oh, and did I mention the kitchen is right off the mud utility laundry room with a large soaking sink, coat closet, and ample of cabinetry and storage? The family room has expansive ceilings, a pellet fireplace, and large windows that flood this home with natural light and beauty. Down the hall, you'll find the sanctuary of the master bedroom. It's spacious and bright with a 5-piece ensuite that includes a jacuzzi tub, large shower, private commode, and walk-in closet. Across the hall are 2 large secondary bedrooms that share a renovated Jack and Jill bathroom. An office or study with double doors, a walk-in closet, and access to the deck can also become an additional main-level bedroom if needed. The lower level of this home has 2 huge bedrooms, one of which enjoys an ensuite bath and a walk-in closet. There's definitely enough room to spread out in this home as you enjoy a game room and great room with wet bar, built-ins, a pellet stove, and a 3-quarter bath. Mechanical room and home HVAC system includes 2 furnaces, 2 water heaters, as well as 2 ACs and an attic fan. Ample storage and shelving, as well as a newly vapor barriered and insulated crawl space. The exterior living space offers a 9-foot wrought iron fenced yard, as well as an expansive Trex deck with pergola and tons of views that impress. To house all of your toys or vehicles, you'll find an extra deep and wide 3-car attached garage, as well as a detached garage that has almost 1,200 square feet. 2 RV doors plus an additional double door. There's a tile concrete roof, and the proximity to the fire station proved beneficial and cost-saving for homeowners insurance. The barn has 2 large sliding doors and can be opened fully from east to west. There's concrete floors, there's 3 high-quality steel 12x12 stalls with rubber matting, a tack room, hay storage, 2 hydrant water spigots, and then a fully fenced pasture as well as large arena. Perfect location with small-town country living, yet a close proximity to shopping, schools, highways, making this home truly a unique find. Only 16 minutes to downtown Castle Rock or 50 minutes to DIA, downtown Denver, or downtown Colorado Springs. Welcome home.